When the paycheck keeps you, but that job is breaking you, that's golden handcuffs. Golden handcuffs look shiny. Steady money, insurance, stability, but the weight is heavy because nobody talks about the pain of staying where your peace has left. All because you're trying to survive. You're not wrong for needing security. You're not weak for wanting consistency. You're not faithless for needing income. But you know what is dangerous? Letting money convince you that misery is normal. Letting fear convince you God can't provide another way. Letting comfort convince you to stay small. Those golden handcuffs aren't permanent. God has a key. And when he says move, lack won't stop you. Fear won't blind you. And money won't manipulate you. Comment handcuffs if this hit home.